Hello, congratulations, your website is live. You probably know me already. I'm Ed. If you've been working with Tom, then maybe you just see me in some email comms. But congratulations again. What we're going to do is go through and show you how you can actually make some changes on your website so you feel empowered. Obviously, we'd love to book in an actual tutorial just going through one-to-one, because every website does have some slight changes, some slight specialities. But this will be a good overall little series of lessons that are coming out to you that will go over the basics. So here we go. What do you do? How does a website work? So when you log in, you'll see a screen very similar to what I've got in front of me here. And for this first lesson, we're just going to have a look at how you can edit text and titles, say for example, on your homepage. Now from here, you'll see there's a huge list of stuff on the left. So ignore most of this for now, and we're just going to go through step by step and introduce it to you. So you'll see there's an option called pages. If you want to edit a specific page, you can go into here and there'll be a full list of pages. So I will click into this now. On our website, there are a lot of pages. Yours will probably be a list more like 10 to 15 pages is the average we've got. However, if you just want to go to the home page and edit the home page, what you can do is just click on this little house icon in the top. And when you click on this, it will load the front end of the website. So if we wanted to make some changes here, say we wanted to change this text here and this little subheading, how do we do it? Now there's two ways to edit your page. The way I would recommend is you see where it says edit live at the top here. If you hover over that and click it, while it looks the same as the website, it does actually let you make changes. So now you'll see when I'm hovering over different elements, these like blue and black icons are coming up. And what we can do, say this title in the middle here is what we want to change. We can hover over and you'll see title options. If we click on that little pen, on the left hand side, now a box comes up with the different text. And here are some changes. If I type in the changes, you'll see it instantly reflects and give you a preview of what it will look like on your website when it's live. So we obviously don't want to save that for now. We'll delete it. The other option you've got is you can actually click in this text here and make the changes. So it's really simple and really easy to see what it's going to look like on your live website. It is important though, whenever you make any changes, to just check to see what they look like on mobile. Now at the top, there's a little responsive button, and when you click on this, different screen sizes come up. So if we click on the mobile phone, you'll see it changes the layout and you can actually see if it's going to fit and work properly. For now, let's go back to the desktop. Say we wanted to make change to this text. Very similar. We'll hover over it. You see it says text block options. There's a little pen icon. That's the one that you need to press to make changes. Click on that. Text comes up here on the left hand side. You can just type to make changes. And it's as simple as that. When you're done with the changes, you'll see this big blue button in the top right. Make sure to press that. If you don't press that, nothing will be saved, nothing will be live. So until that button is pressed, your website will still be as it was when you first went on. Hopefully that's been helpful. There'll be more videos coming out in the coming days, and like I said, it'd be great to book in a tutorial and have a chat with you on your specific website. See you later.